Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to set up your About on WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner. Select Settings. Now, tap your name at the top to open your profile section. Under your profile, tap About. Choose a pre-written status or tap the pencil icon to write your own. Type in your custom About message and tap Save. That's it, you've successfully set up your WhatsApp About. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.